आपका तो मतलब मुझे लग रहा है कि नजर उतार दूं, इतनी प्यारी लग रही हो आप.
I've really dressed up for you today.
But does your mom ever do that while you're going out? नहीं नहीं, रुक जा, मुझे काला टीका लगाने दो.
Today my makeup artist for a kala tika. He's like, sorry, let's do it. Like,
Because you know, on the internet your white gown and uska price is like all over the place.
well, thanks to the stylist who got it.
But sometimes do you think it's weird that the news you least thought about ends up on internet being blown away like that?
Completely.
Radio City.
वेलकम टू रेडियो सिटी. मेरा नाम पलक है, मैं शाम का शो होस्ट करती हूँ. एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव टुडे द ब्यूटीफुल अमेजिंग कियारा अडवाणी, जो बहुत ही प्यारा किरदार निभा रही है शेर शाह में. डिम्पल चीमा का किरदार है जो कैप्टन बत्रा की फियांसी थी. आप उनसे पर्सनली भी मिली. हाउ वाज इट? कितना आपको सीखने को मिला उनसे, उनके कैरेक्टर को, और यू थॉट दैट ये किरदार आप अपने हिसाब से निभाएंगी?
जब मैंने फिल्म जब मुझे नरेट किया जा रहा था, that time I was almost like, these scenes, are they just, as Sir put it there, like creatively cinematic liberty लेकर हम लोग ये scenes फिल्म में रख रहे हैं, but that was not the case.
अच्छा.
हर सीन डिम्पल चीमा और कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा के बीच जो भी सीन आप फिल्म में देखोगे, it's all real moments between them.
Wow.
Which have beautifully been incorporated into the film. And it was so intriguing to know of their relationship. When I had read the script, I didn't know so much about, I had only known, of course, about Captain Vikram Batra.
Yeah, because हमने LOC कारगिल में देखा था वो किरदार.
तो आपको obviously you're aware of it. लेकिन to know his personal life, to know his story with Dimple, I didn't know much about her, and I was so intrigued because Sir had told me that she chose never to marry again after being with Captain Vikram Batra. After his passing, she just chose that I will never get married again. And I was like, that is a very
उम्र भी कम रही होगी, मतलब उस टाइम
25 के थे उस वक्त. So at that age, to make a decision like that, it takes a very strong woman to really think such a big decision of her life and to make that decision. So I was very intrigued and I really wanted to meet her. And I think thanks to Vishal Batra, Captain Vikram Batra के जो भाई हैं, उन्होंने ये meeting करवाई हम दोनों के बीच, because I was shooting in Chandigarh. This was before we shot the film. So I was very lucky कि at least film shooting के पहले मुझे ये मौका मिला कि मैं उनसे मिलके उनसे जान पाऊँ. और जब मैं उनके साथ बैठ के बातें कर रही थी, she was talking about all the memories were coming back. She was telling me also as though it had just happened कि कल ही ये कहानी this happened, and she was telling me the story today. And I was like, there's so much happiness in her eyes saying these stories. And every time she would say something, I'm like, ये फिल्म में है, हाँ ये भी फिल्म में है. अरे वाह, सर ने मतलब इतनी रिसर्च करके he's put it so authentically in the film. यहाँ तक कि we've even shot at the very real live locations जहाँ पे many of the key situations in the film and moments in the film happen.
तो देहरादून के कैफे में आपने शूट किया है?
कैफेज में शूट नहीं, देहरादून के कैफे में नहीं किया है, but we've shot at the same college. We shot in Palampur where very key scenes take place. We've shot all over Chandigarh, Rock Garden, places they used to actually meet each other. So it's very nostalgic even now, because it's been 2 years and I'm also seeing everything after this
come to life.
Yeah, everything come to life. It's even nostalgic for us to see it all come together कि हाँ, this is, because I remember shooting के वक्त we used to feel कि अच्छा यहाँ ये किया हुआ हो, they must have done this, they must have gone here. And then I would remember she would say stories of how bike पे बैठ के they used to then escape, or when you're young, love, छुप छुप के मिलना, all these things. It's very cute. Just गुरुद्वारा में they made promises to each other. All of those moments have been really beautifully captured in the film.
पालमपुर मेरी मासी वहां पे रहती थी, और आई रिमेम्बर जब उनके कैप्टन बत्रा के शहीद हुए, जब वो पूरा, आप क्यारा मानोगे नहीं, बिकॉज उन शहरों में ना, लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक तेरा घर मेरा घर, शादी होती है तो पूरा गांव आ जाता है, किसी की डेथ होती है, एंड होल सिटी वाज देयर, एंड उतना बड़ा जलसा निकला. और उनकी मॉम कहते रोई भी नहीं थी बिकॉज शी वाज सो प्राउड ऑफ हिज सन. एंड कितने ज्यादा वो बने हुए हैं, स्टैचूज हैं, कितने गार्डन्स हैं. अगर आपने अब पढ़ा होगा, मैं तो पढ़ रही थी कुछ दिन पहले कि ही वाज नेक्स्ट लेवल डेकोरेटेड पर्सन. लाइक इवन बाद में भी उनको सम्मानित किया गया. To play a part of such important person, does it feel like we have to get it right? Even for Siddharth, it was a big challenge, I'm assuming.
Of course, और जो आप बोल रही है, we shot at the same place in Palampur where his last rites were performed. Where we show it in the film, it's the same location. और आप यकीन नहीं करोगे, जब हम वहाँ पे शूट कर रहे थे and we were recreating that moment. So like you said, the whole city had come down to see. Everybody knows Vikram, Captain Vikram Batra. मतलब there's so much pride in their hearts when they speak of him. और जब हम शूट कर रहे थे उस वक्त, we had, of course, हम लोग, there were a lot of junior actors who were representing that the whole town had come, the whole city had come down. और मुझे याद है वो शॉट में जब मेरा क्लोज चल रहा था, मेरा क्लोजअप शॉट था उस वक्त, ऐसा एक भी बंदा नहीं था उस entire unit में, even though they were not on camera, the junior artists in that moment, they were sitting and waiting because it was just my shot, they didn't have to be standing in that shot, but हर बंदा खड़ा होकर, everybody had tears in their eyes. और उस दिन जो हम सबको महसूस हुआ, it was not like we were performing, it just felt like we were really there in that moment and we were really reliving that moment again. So it really, like, just thinking about it gives me goosebumps, and you can't even imagine it, when it must have happened.
And me to personally, I'm like such a sucker for all the, movies like Kargil, Refugee. मतलब मैं तो इतना रोती हूँ, मुझे तो कोई भी border picture अभी भी दिखा दो. I just, because the fact that आप एक country के लिए, मतलब हम सब job करते हैं, लेकिन to know that you're risking your life, तुम्हारा पूरा परिवार पीछे है, वो field से जाना, it takes next level courage. And you rightly put it in one of your interviews जहाँ आपने कहा कि डिम्पल इज एन अनसंग हीरो. एंड बहुत सारी बीवियां जो हैं, बहुत सारे फैमिली मेंबर हैं, उनका सैक्रिफाइस को शायद इतना सम्मान नहीं मिलता. एंड यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग दैट. सो टेल अस अबाउट दैट कि क्या आप
मैं एक वीडियो देख रही थी कुछ आर्मी वाइव्स पे, और एक बात उन्होंने कहा उस वीडियो में जो इट रियली स्टेड विथ मी, दैट दीज वुमेन एंड हु आर इन अ रिलेशनशिप विद और वाइव्स टू आर्मी मैन, दे, जब आप उनके बारे में ना सिर्फ उस वक्त सोचोगे जब when that news article comes that so and so is no more, then your heart goes out to the family. लेकिन उनके जो that wife and that family, they almost die 100 deaths every time that man goes to perform his duty, because you don't know is this the last time or not. और उसके लिए उन्हें कभी ट्रेनिंग नहीं मिलती है. तो वो जो घबराहट की फीलिंग है अंदर, and no doubt you're very proud of their purpose and what they and their duty, and you support that duty, but jo andar se wo ek, to have that courage and strength to be supportive, like when I speak to Dimple, and when I understood from her, to kind of, it's such a selfless act to support someone's dreams knowing what a high risk factor it is. And that really stayed with me. Stayed with me.
And हम कितनी कहानियां सुनते हैं. Even I know a lot of army and navy people, they don't see each other, like इतने टाइम तक फोन नहीं मिल पाते हैं उनके, और महीने में एक बार बात होती है, बच्चों के बर्थडेज, एनिवर्सरीज, हम वो सब मिस करते हैं. एंड पैसे कमाने के और भी जरिए हो सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि they could have not chosen something else, but to the fact that they choose. आप कभी पर्सनली, लाइक मैं अपने आप से सोचती हूँ कि क्या मैं कभी एक आर्मी पर्सन से या नेवी पर्सन से शादी कर पाऊंगी? व्हाट इज योर टेक? लाइक क्या आप में कभी वो हिम्मत आ सकती?
हम रिसेंटली कारगिल गए, द्रास गए हमारे ट्रेलर लॉन्च के लिए. और वहां पहुंचने में जर्नी काफी लंबी थी और काफी स्टॉप्स करने पड़े हमें एट डिफरेंट बेस कैंप्स टू रीच देयर. और हर बेस कैंप में it was very sweet of there were a couple of army officers who would come and sit and talk to us because we were waiting over there. And that moment I was ek to men in uniform, there's so much respect
please
very hot, but there's so much respect for them, when you just that uniform only fills your heart with so much pride.
और chivalry कितनी होती है उनमें,
इस बात की उनमें ना एक their culture, their the way they the discipline and the way, the respect that they have for each other, you know, like they will never speak. They'll always say, sir, with your permission, if there's a senior in the room.
Yeah.
I was like, that for me was hot. I was like, yeah, this is, you know, I can totally understand why someone would be so in love, if at all, because there's so much chivalry, culture, respect. That is very charming. And just knowing that they're so focused and driven for the country, for their duty, it's another, when you live so, like I live in Mumbai, so I live so far to even understand it. So that one experience that we got thanks to this film, to go there and launch our trailer there and to experience being around all our army officers, just like gave me goosebumps. I was like, हम यहाँ इतने दूर ना, हमें पता नहीं होता है, हम एक न्यूज़ पढ़ते हैं, ट्वीट्स करते हैं, but that same experience it. I mean, I thank my stars कि मुझे ये मौका मिला, क्योंकि it's an experience of a lifetime.
भैया आपके लिए तो picture already has worked, like it has worked for you.
It's
worked on a soulful purpose. आपका done हो गया. You become, you know, so many times, you know, एक हार्वर्ड की स्टडी भी है कि हमारे पास जो भी होता है ना, उससे 1 महीने में नॉर्मल हो जाते हैं. एंड प्रीटी श्योर जब आपको लगा होगा कि पहली फिल्म मिल जाए तो लाइफ सेट, दूसरी फिल्म, नाउ यू प्रीटी सेट. सो वी फॉरगेट हाउ ग्रेटफुल वी शुड बी अपनी जिंदगी में. एंड यू नो, प्रीटी श्योर ऐसी फिल्म्स करके यू आल्सो गेट सम सेंस और सम अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि हम कितने अच्छा कर रहे हैं लाइफ में. वी आर सो सेफ और शांति से रह रहे हैं थैंक्स टू दीज पीपल.
Yeah, absolutely. I feel you feel so much gratitude when you you know, when that's why I feel like a film like Shershaah is so important and relevant for our generation and the generations to come, because you should know of these real heroes. I mean, they are the reason we have the freedom we do. Because they don't have so many, like the amount of freedom we do, they don't have so much. I feel like their life is always on the line, fighting for their country.
इंटरनेट ही मिल जाए लेह लद्दाख वगैरह में.
They do it with a lot of, you know, there's a lot of courage and valor behind that. So I mean, their bravery is unmatched, and we have, I mean, jitna kahegi main, matlab, it'll never be enough. No words will be enough.
But that way, I think, jaise, you know, chivalry agar baat kare, that way, I think Siddharth really fits the character. Like, even if you think about Captain Batra, he really fits the bill. Because as far as I have interacted with him, wo bhi kafi courteous, chivalry. He also is like that only, so he quite fits the bill. That way, the casting is perfect.
Like Sid says that he could have been, his father was in the merchant navy and his grandfather was in the army. So he said, maybe if not an actor, I would have gone in defense, or, you know, that way. And I feel like Captain Vikram Batra, had he not gone into the army, he would have come into film. So dono ke beech kuch na kuch nata hai for sure. Because even Captain Vikram Batra's family, मुझे याद है हम पालमपुर जब गए थे, we went to meet his family at their home. वहाँ रहते हैं, and they've made on the second floor of their home, they have an entire like a you know, like
mini museum
of all his badges, his uniforms, letters, his medals, his books, everything. And it's so lovely to see that. And I remember them saying, they would look at Sid and they were so shocked कि यार हमारा बेटा इसी में आ गया है. And you know, we're so happy that he's portraying this role. और जब हम उस मुलाकात के बाद, जब we were going back to the hotel, Sid was like, guys, this is a huge responsibility on us. It's, you know, it's a big responsibility to the family, and we all felt that way.
मेरे को तो लगता है Siddharth is going to be in touch with them forever.
Definitely,
मेरे को तो ऐसे पक्का लगता है. Because for parents also, like, ठीक है, they're proud, but to lose a son, and you know, and now उनके लिए कहानी screen पर देखना, it is going to be a very tough and happy at the same time.
Happy, yeah, right, both.
And you have been part of the second biopic now after Dhoni. So are you the biopic person now for Bollywood?
I'm waiting to do one on my own. Like on.
So जो आपकी biopic होगी उसमें दूसरों की biopic भी आ जाएगी.
Yeah, I mean, the second time I'm playing a real person. And yeah, it's the same feeling now, closer to release. I'm just waiting for that person's reaction the most, you know?
Yeah.
I remember that time also I was waiting, and that time I watched it with Sakshi. This time I don't know if I'll get to watch the film with Dimple, given the situation we're in. But I'm waiting. I'm most excited for her reaction. She loved the trailer. She got very emotional. So I'm sure the film it'll be very emotional for her to watch the film also.
I'm pretty sure, like,
Yeah.
But क्या कहते हैं, you celebrated your birthday just now and आपको देख के ना एक बड़ी relatable सी feel आती है कि you will have your normal friends also and you will have industry friends also. So how do you juggle between that?
It's quite simple. I mean, for me, my 5-6 girlfriends have been my, matlab, bachpan se we've known each other, and they'll always. I think there are a few people in your life who are your oldest and closest friends now.
Yeah.
So they'll always be there, and they get along very well with even the new people. But for me, at the end of I like the fact that mujhe ghar aake, I have a very normal same setting of people who also have different interests and are in different fields. So you also as a person grow. You're not only talking about work. So that's nice. It's better sometimes to have that environment. Because they only want to know gossip, jo mere paas hai nahi. And then they're not interested in anything else. And I'm very interested in all their field of work because that's interesting for me.
But you, since hang out with Karan Johar, आपके पास gossip तो होगी. You're being a nice person and not telling anyone.
Not really. Now तो everything's on all the social media channels. कुछ नहीं है, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, मुझे कभी कुछ नहीं पता होता है.
But अभी ये फिल्म obviously OTT पे आ रही है, तो क्या वो numbers का pressure कम लगता है आपको या फिर you never get into numbers game?
See, numbers for me, I always feel like numbers means it's reaching so many people and you know that the audience has loved the film. And that's when I realized with Kabir Singh, right? Ki to cross that 300 crore mark and you know ki it's reached every corner probably possible.
Yeah.
And hopefully with OTT, we will get that same reach and more. So that opportunity is there कि जहाँ पे हमारी film theaters में release भी ना हो सकती है, मतलब if you go overseas and stuff, here through OTT that'll happen. So I'm happy that we'll be able to take this story far beyond borders and boundaries. And that is something that's motivating for sure.
Absolutely. So क्या screening plans हैं?
यहाँ पे on a lovely virtual call जितने भी production and marketing के लोग हैं उन्हीं को पता होगा screenings के plan, but मैं definitely अपनी family के साथ बैठ के film देखना चाहूँगी. So we hope soon we'll do it. But 12th August we'll all watch the film together at our own homes, but we'll virtually be somewhere connected.
I'm pretty sure it will be trending that day. I'm pretty sure you'll be on internet that day.
But
जिस दिन ये सब हो रहा होता है, like you're trending or whatever, do you read all the tweets and do you read follow? पूरा पढ़ते हो?
कौन नहीं पढ़ता है? That day they are hooked onto my phone. Trailer release day, everybody is, every actor is. That's our moment, na? कि finally सबने देखी है, reactions क्या है, पसंद आ रही है, like all those little things, and I think that's the most, like I miss those days sometimes.
पर आपको तो कोई negative कुछ लिखता ही नहीं होगा, like I don't think so you can ever get trolled. Look at your innocent face, like who will troll you?
I should think of this comment whenever I read a troll comment.
But आपका क्या कहते हैं, मैंने ना कुछ आपके लिए आपके बारे में जो क्वेश्चंस हैं इंटरनेट पे जिसके बारे में शायद गलत आंसर है, सही आंसर हमने सोचा लेट अस टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सॉल्व इट. तो दे आर नॉट माय क्वेश्चन, दे आर गूगल के क्वेश्चन जो लोगों ने आपके बारे में पूछे हैं.
Okay, done.
So this is first is who is Kiara's best friend? And the answer is amazing.
What's the answer?
Answer says Isha Ambani.
Isha, she's a very close friend. Yeah, she's definitely one of them. She's my oldest, very old friend. My best friend is, there are 5 girlfriends from school of mine. They're my best friends. Sanya, Karina, Charvi, Anuja, Sakshi.
Kya baat hai? It was like full Sex and the City gang.
A full Sex and the City gang.
What's the name of your gang? Kuch to hoga.
We actually have a name. I think every girls group has a name. It's called HRC, and it's a very stupid name because town mein Hard Rock Cafe, there used to be a restaurant called Hard Rock Cafe, and the first time we all went to eat out together was at Hard Rock Cafe, and I don't know why we've called ourselves HRC. It's very, very lame. But हाँ वो तो है अभी.
Ansraj College भी हो सकता है. I would think Ansraj College. अच्छा. Who was Kiara's first celebrity crush?
Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah, that
That's correct.
Yeah. Is Kiara vegetarian?
You could say I'm a vegetarian because I prefer eating vegetarian food, but I am also a pescatarian because I like having fish. But I may give that up soon because I saw a documentary called Seaspiracy, which has impacted me.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's tough to now make this decision.
But I see a lot of videos of you with Sohrab. You do a lot of Sofit, right?
I do.
निको तो देख के डर लग जाता है. I've spoken to Sohrab, took his interview, but मैंने कहा यार पता नहीं तुम लोगों में कितनी जान है. Like ऐसा कियारा, आलिया सब ऐसे कर रहे होते. Like how much workout do you do in a day?
Not as much as I can or I should do. So I'm gonna up my workout game now.
But still, like you must be doing at least 2 hours a day.
Yeah, 1.5 tops.
1.5 hour tops. Good, yeah. I should also like start.
But it's good. Any form of physical, like any form of it is really good. Dance if you like to dance. Do whichever one you like. I love kickboxing. Right now I'm into kickboxing. ये मेरा नया athletic.
Okay. Why did Kiara change her name?
What's the answer?
It's the same answer that's on Wikipedia. That
No, but
Salman Khan changed your name to Kiara because it's already Alia.
I actually chose the name Kiara. And yeah, I wanted to have my own identity. So that's why I said for screen, I don't want people to be confused between two people.
But what do people call you at home?
At home, like my mom and dad, it's very funny. Mom and dad at home, sometimes they still say Alu, Als or something. And Kiara, it depends. They are they're spoiled for choice with my name. Mostly Ki.
Ki.
Yeah.
Ki. Wow, I like the name. Was Kiara a teacher?
I was. Before I debuted, I worked with my mom in her school. My mom actually has a school for little children.
Wow.
Yeah, she has a nursery. So not only did I do nursery rhymes and teach little children, but I also changed diapers. I did it all. That's why I had to that's why in Good News at Kabir Singh, I had no problems being pregnant since I had a good experience in my first job in my mom's school.
Kya baat hai? You remember any nursery rhyme which is your favorite one? I have to ask. Twinkle, twinkle.
And now there's some baby shark that all these children.
Baby shark.
That video of that baby shark and then they become your best friend.
Okay. ये हो गया. This is another very weird question I don't want to ask. Is Kiara very rich?
It depends how you define rich. I would like to say I'm rich in my values and culture and emotions.
Wow. Kiara, आपकी दो रेंज हैं. एक तो टोटल इंदु की जवानी प्लस लव स्टोरीज we see and one is like Demure MS धोनी में या फिर कबीर सिंह में. Where do you fit in ये पूरे उसमें स्पेक्ट्रम में? दो
like as a person?
हाँ, as a person.
I've not played any of these. I don't think I've played a character so close to who I am as a person yet. But as a person, you all know me now through your interviews and through social media. That's who I am. So now you all tell me how that is.
You are so amazing, phenomenal.
Real.
So this is called Would You Ever? Would you rather? दोनों में से choose करना है. दो option मिलेंगे आपको. What would you choose? ठीक है, simple. A movie with Brad Pitt or no traffic ever?
A movie with Brad Pitt.
हाँ. ट्रैफिक में फंस लोगे.
हाँ, ट्रैफिक में तो रोज का ये नया है. कुछ नया नहीं है उसमें. It's not a difference.
Okay. कुछ भी खाओ कभी मोटे नहीं हो या फिर instant national award अभी.
Instant national award.
This girl is choosing और career वाले question. मैं तो पतला होने का choose कर लेती कि कुछ भी खा लो मोटे नहीं. Power to क्या कह रहे हो?
हमसे workout कर लो. Workout कर लो.
Power to spot whenever someone lies या फिर space में जाने का मौका.
I'm leaning towards space में जाने का मौका because पता नहीं वो कब होगा. Power to spot. I think I'm quite capable of spotting when someone lies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
I'm just kidding. No, I don't know. I'm a quite. That doesn't matter as much as space में जाने का.
What would your superpower be in a party? Like what do you?
Minds. No, that'll be too many thoughts in my head. My superpower at a party.
Yeah, like some people can drink, some people can dance, some people can entertain. कुछ तो
I don't drink at all. I am a teetotaler.
Teetotaler?
Yeah, and fortunately, I can dance without it. I don't need anything to make me happy at a party. And what is the third thing you said?
Like dancing, singing, या फिर मतलब entertaining people, cracking jokes or whatever. What is your superpower at a party?
ऐसा लगा सब कुछ है. Just kidding. Just kidding. I know this is really bad joke. ठीक है, पार्टी में और क्या सुपर पावर चाहिए?
Yeah, cuteness is a superpower. चले. Okay, having an extra 8th day in a week या फिर a remote where you can forward your remind life. जैसे एक एडम सैंडलर की मूवी में होता है.
That would be cool, no? Go back to a moment you want to relive, or go forward to know something. Yeah, I'll take the remote.
You'll take the remote. Okay. Wake up कि आपके बाल हर दिन blow dry रहे, best hair day, या फिर magical heel shoes जो कभी दुखते नहीं है.
Okay, hair is a make or break for any look. I think always good hair day is over everything else.
Right. Being a journalist for TV या being a radio jockey?
Being a radio jockey.
वो तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा ना अभी मैं बेच के सामने.
But I genuinely think y'all have such a cool job and y'all make it like so energetic that I would actually love to be in your shoes one day, just to like.
Yeah, and you can have a bad hair day and still come to work. You can have a bad hair day and still come to work because nobody can see.
That's how cool it is for you. Lucky. To radio jockey any day.
Any day. Thank you so much. और आपके आने वाले projects भी बहुत promising हैं. I was reading something you're doing with Karthik and then रामचरण के साथ आप कर रहे हो. So congratulations. अब तो line लगी हुई है movies की. How does it feel to be, you know, arrived in the industry?
Actor, I'd say a working actor. I feel very grateful to be going to work every day and really, really excited to be working with some of the finest in our industry, directors, actors. I look forward to it every single day. Yeah.
It seems like a dream to you, Kabhi?
Of course, and this is also the only thing I ever wanted to do. So I've worked towards my dream and it feels like I'm really living my dream because I love what I do. And that's, you know, I think anyone who gets that, you know, if this is what you've always wanted to do and you're getting to do that, then you should be very blessed and grateful. And that's
anything for young girls who want to be an actress, since you are not from a, you know, typically from a filmy background. Anything you want to tell?
Go after your dream, and whatever your dream is in life, just be passionate about and go after it. And
don't be disheartened after a failed audition. We've
all had that. How many failed auditions we've all had, and I think that's just a part of the process. And enjoy the journey. Don't think about the destination because the journey is what's gonna, you know, keep you going. So enjoy it, make the most of it, keep going. And, yeah.
I thought you'll give the advice that your mom gave कि पहले पढ़ाई पूरी कर लो फिर जो करना है कर लो.
वो तो है ही, वो तो आपके उनके पेरेंट्स भी दे रहे होंगे उनको. But yeah, I think definitely complete your education.
But is it that difficult to get into film industry?
It's as difficult as it is to get into any industry. अगर आप मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ तो I would have my own share, you know, fair share of struggles and exams to pass. So it's the same thing. And if you're good and if you're passionate about something, and I don't think the sky is your limit, then you should just go for it. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Or also, you have there's so much content and so
digital
many platforms, and there's so much you can do. So really, it's the best time to be an artist as well.
What do you watch most of the time? Do you get time to binge watch? What do you watch घर पे?
Right now, I'm only waiting for 12th August. I'm only going to be watching Shersha post that. And that's.
आपने देखी है अभी तक नहीं देखी है Shersha?
देखी है, फिल्म देखी है.
रोए?
आपको क्या लगता है?
100%.
तो फिर and waiting for your
happy tears होंगे जो भी होंगे. And of course thank you so much कियारा जुड़ने के लिए. शेरशाह से आप इतनी बड़ी कहानी और हमारे देश की इतनी जरूरी कहानी हमारे सामने लेके आ रहे हो, और सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं, अब तो थैंक्स टू OTT पूरे वर्ल्ड में लोग देखेंगे ये जो ब्रेवरी की कहानी है. और आप छोटा ही सही बट 15 अगस्त के राउंड एक अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूशन आपने दे दिया.
जी, थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. Bye, take care.
Take care. Bye.
Radio City.